Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine at your respective places. In continuation to the previous videos, we were discussing the process of transpiration. We have discussed what is meant by the transpiration, what are the various types of transpiration. We have discussed the mechanism of what we call as the opening and closing of stomata. We have discussed this what we call as this anti-transparent. Today we are going to discuss the merits and demerits of transpiration. First, let us try to discuss what are the various merits in the process of transpiration. First जो इसका main जो इसका है merit, what is this? That this controls the rate of this absorption, that it controls the rate of absorption from the soil. This one merit. Second जो merit इसका है, it also helps us in the absorption of minerals from the soil. गोया पहला मेरिट इसका है it controls the rate of absorption from the soil. Second one, it helps us in the absorption of mineral salts. Third one, this process of transpiration is responsible for the ascent of sap. That is ascent of sap, that means this rate of transpiration is responsible for the upward movement of water and minerals. Upward movement of water and minerals, what we call as this to the various or we can say to the aerial parts of the plant. Number fourth की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, that is it maintains circulation of water and minerals inside the plant. So this process of transpiration, it maintains the what we call as the circulation of water inside the plant. एक और हम बता सकते हैं जो when the rate of transpiration is fast, yeah, we can simply called as rapid transpiration जो है, that leads to the development of the mechanical tissues in the plant. When the rate of transpiration is fast, what we will see that we will see जो rapid transpiration है, it may lead to the development of the mechanical tissues in the plant. उससे क्या हो जाता है, जो plant जो है, it becomes healthier, it becomes thick, it becomes cutinized, and जो हम देखते हैं कि when it has got this mechanical tissue, it enables the plant to resist the attack of the foreign materials. एक और this rapid transpiration जो हम कहेंगे, rapid transpiration, इससे क्या हो जाता है, जो cell sap inside the cell becomes concentrated. What we see during this process of rapid transpiration, जो cell sap होता है within the cell या inside the cell, it becomes concentrated. उससे क्या हो जाता है, जो what we call as this causes sugar content to increase inside the फ्रूट, उससे क्या हो जाता है कि जो शुगर कंटेंट होता है विद इन द व्हाट फ्रूट वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है, एंड दस द fruit becomes sweeter during the gusts of hot wind. एक और हम लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज, मैं भूल गया था, दैट इट रेगुलेट्स द प्लांट टेम्परेचर. This process of respiration, it regulates the plant temperature. That is, it helps us in the, it contributes, it helps in the cooling of the leaves. It also helps us in cooling the surrounding air. It protects the leaves from the heat injury. It what we call as during the intense sunlight, अगर हम कहेंगे when the temperature is very much high, this process of transpiration, it protects the leaves from the heat injury. So these were the some of the merits, these were some of the advantages, these were some of the importance of the process of transpiration. First one जो हमने लिखा, it controls the rate of absorption from the soil. Second one, what we will see, it helps in the absorption of minerals from the soil. It is responsible for the ascent of sap, that means in the upward movement of the water and minerals. The process of transpiration maintains the circulation of water inside the plant. During, अगर हम देखेंगे, rapid transpiration that leads to the development of mechanical tissues in the plant. उससे क्या हो जाता है कि जो प्लांट, it becomes somewhat healthier, it becomes somewhat thick, it becomes somewhat cutinized, and जब ये बनता है, हेल्दियर बन जाता है, क्यूटिनाइज्ड हो जाता है, थिक बन जाता है, इससे इट enables the plant to resist the attack of foreign material. दूसरी बात, रैपिड ट्रांसपैरेशन में हम एक और बात ये देखते हैं कि जो सेल सैप होता है विद इन द सेल, इट बिकम्स समवट कंसंट्रेटेड, और उससे क्या हो जाता है कि शुगर कंटेंट जो है वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है इनसाइड द फ्रूट, और जो फ्रूट जो होता है इट बिकम्स समवट स्वीटर. एंड ऑल्सो इट रेगुलेट्स द प्लांट टेम्परेचर. What does this mean? जो plant temperature, what we'll see, it contributes rather to the cooling of leaves. It helps us in cooling the surrounding air. It protects the leaves from the heat injury, particularly during the conditions of high temperature. जब हम देखेंगे या हमारे पास intense sunlight होगी. अब demerits की हम बात करेंगे. What are the various demerits? First one, डिमेरिट जो इसके हैं, दैट इज मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर, जो हम कहेंगे मोस्ट ऑफ द वाटर दैट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड, विच इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड इज ट्रांसपायर्ड. वो ट्रांसपायर हो जाता है, वो आता है कि एक फ्रॉम द रूट से वो एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, ऊपर चला जाता है, एंड देन इट गेट्स लॉस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. दूसरी बात, अगर कभी कभार हम ये देखते हैं कि रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपायरेशन इट एक्सीड्स द रेट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन. एक हम क्या देखते हैं कि प्लांट में पानी की कमी हो जाती है, उसमें मिनरल्स की पानी की कमी हो जाती है, जिससे एक फिनोमेना हो जाती है प्लांट में, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द विल्टिंग, दैट कॉजेज व्हाट वी कॉल एज द इंजरी टू द प्लांट. सो रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपायरेशन मे कॉज वाटर डिफिसिट्स. रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपायरेशन है, हम कहेंगे सीधा जो ट्रांसपायरेशन है, इट मे कॉज वाटर डिफिसिट्स, इट मे कॉज इंजुरी टू द प्लांट्स बाय desiccation. Now सिग्निफिकेंस एक है व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज ए सिग्निफिकेंस अगर हम कहेंगे ट्रांसपैरेशन की, ओवरऑल अगर हम बात कर लेंगे जो होल प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसपैरेशन है, इट इज़ अ वेरी मच एसेंशियल प्रोसेस. अब जो अगर if we go inside the leaf, what we will see, we have got the pellucid cells, we have got the spongy cells. These spongy cells, what we will see, they have got a lot of intercellular spaces with the stomata, and these spaces, they are essentially, they are very much important for the gases exchange, and those gases exchange, they are required for the important processes like we have got the photosynthesis, we have got the respiration. दूसरी बात, दिस ट्रांसपैरेशन की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, इट हैज़ बीन कॉल्ड एज द नेसेसरी इवल. This has been called as the necessary evil. Why it has been called as the necessary evil? Because जो हम देखते हैं कि जो when the leaves, they have got mesophyll cells which are present inside the leaf. जब हम leaf की anatomy देखते हैं, we will find that between the lower epidermis and the upper epidermis, we have got the pellucid cells, we have got the spongy cells. Pellucid cells are cylindrical, which are very much closer to each other, while the spongy cells, they are isodiametric cells, they are loosely arranged. And these mesophyll cells, they have got a lot of intercellular spaces. जब हम देखते हैं कि स्टोमेटा के बगल में हम क्या देखते हैं कि साथ ही वहाँ पर कुछ स्पेस होती है, जगह होती है, एंड दैट इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस विद द स्टोमेटा, इट इज़ एसेंशियली, इट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द गैसेस एक्सचेंज, एंड दोज गैसेस दे आर रिक्वायर्ड ड्यूरिंग द इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस लाइक फोटोसिंथेसिस, रेस्पिरेशन. अब लीफ विद दिस टाइप ऑफ एनाटॉमी, लीफ में जब हम देखते हैं कि सेल्स का अरेंजमेंट दैट इज़ लाइक दैट, उससे हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो ट्रांसपैरेशन प्रोसेस जो होती है वो आसानी से हो जाते हैं. दिस कि जो लीफ में हम क्या देखते हैं कि पेलिसेड सेल जा वेरी मच थिक, while as देखते they do not have the intercellular space between them, लेकिन जो mesophyll cells है they have got a lot of intercellular spaces. अब जो लीफ की जो anatomy है, it is responsible for the process of transpiration. Therefore अगर हम कहेंगे ट्रांसपैरेशन, इट हैज़ बीन राइटली कॉल्ड एज द नेसेसरी इवल बाय उस बॉटनिस्ट का नाम था, दैट हिज नेम वॉज द क्यूटिस, CURTIS. दिस लीफ अगर हम बात करेंगे, व्हाट वी सी दिस ट्रांसपैरेशन, इट इज़ द नेसेसरी इवल, क्योंकि जो एक्सेस पानी जो होता है दिस इनसाइड द लीफ, that has to be removed, and that gets removed what we call as by the process of transpiration. So this process of transpiration, this was all about the transpiration. We have discussed different articles, the different subunits of that, types of stomata, and what we call as a transpiration mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. We have discussed the antitranspirant, and today we have discussed the merits, demerits, and we have called as this the significance of the transpiration. That is all about this transpiration, and tomorrow we will proceed further. Until then, goodbye, stay blessed, thanks.